So what we're doing here today is we are shooting in our Chardonnay vines here at the Mill Station Ranch. So we're suckering the trunks, which is essentially just taking off all this unwanted growth down here, cleaning it all up, and then we take every spur that we've left and make sure there's 2 shoots coming out of it. So here's the spur from last year that we pruned back to right here. So this one has 3 and a 4th one down here. So we're going to take all these unwanted ones off and just leave 2 nice green, nice shoots with. Right, so there's this shoot, there's the bunch on this one. So that has 1 bunch, and this one here also has 1 bunch, unfortunately. So we like to see 2, but it doesn't always happen that way.